All right, what's up, guys? It's your man right here, Curtin ICE, and we're going to continue on our journey utilizing different AI tools to make some inspirational and creative uses of our time, right? So, what I've been doing on this journey is trying to put together a 24-hour radio station like we used to have 20 years ago using a software called Live 365. Well, that software still exists, but it's too expensive for what we're trying to do. So we're able to do the same thing utilizing all these brand new AI tools to make a 24-hour radio station right on YouTube. And we've actually got a lot of that up right now. So you can go ahead, check the channel, check for our 24-hour stream, and you'll see the results of it. Now, one of the things that we've been doing on this journey is creating a lot of new AI artists and bringing them to life with music that's easily recognizable as their own. So we've given them different accents, different genders, different voice sounds, and we're creating characters with those different voices that we've made on Suno. So with that, we come with we have a situation where we have visuals now for some of these artists. So I was able to find another tool to utilize in this journey to enhance this AI feel a little bit more, and it's a program called Hedra. So we go over to Hedra, and Hedra actually enables us to lip sync our AI creations and give them visuals. So now we can make videos with them. All right, so let's go through some of the stuff that I did on some of these first couple of tests. When you come over to Hedra, this is what it looks like. I did go ahead and get the minimum free, the minimum plan right above the free one, and I was able to start creating some voices. Now, the first way it allows you to do it, right over here, is you can either write the lyrics of what they're saying, which is what I did first. All right, and when you write the lyrics of what's being said, it allows you to pick a voice from one of the voices that they have available. So you get to pick a voice avatar, and then that'll be the voice avatar for your creation. Now, I did find that there's actually a problem with that. It worked kind of okay for the first video that I did, which was Infinite MC. This is him right here, Infinite MC. He had a song called In a Dream, and you'll be able to listen to how it makes his voice sound.
Aloof to the lies, stay smooth as I move, remove any doubt, no excuse for the groove. The youth need the truth, so I soothe with the truth.
All right,
Reproof.
now, the thing is, visually is what I was kind of looking for initially. So visually, the quality is actually pretty good. Without even doing any upscaling or anything, the quality is pretty good. Now, you can actually upscale it further from here and then get even better results. I haven't really fully seen those yet. I kind of tried to test out Topaz, but it didn't really give me that much of a difference to me. So maybe there's some better ones out there you guys can tell me about, better than Topaz, or better ways to upscale it, or something I'm doing wrong. But the first problem is kind of conquered already by Hedra, which is just giving you a good looking quality lip sync, right? So if you look at
Light
the
and
visuals,
darkness, I illuminate fakes, shaking off the lies like an earthquake, every syllable sharp like a high stake.
so it's not that bad. So that's from me typing in the lyrics and then picking a voice and then going with that. Now let's look at the output from that. Got the results of this. Here. If we go on our channel, we're going to check for Infinite MC in a Dream / Perspective Needs. This is like an extended track. And let's get to the
Infinite has 3 eyes. I see with my eyes and my mind.
let's get to the portion where he's actually rhyming, and we can see some of that lip sync going on.
Living in the moment, not in a dream. Truth in the rhythm, feel the
Now,
vibe.
obviously, in the video, I don't have to use the lip sync the whole time, so that's what I did.
Extreme hip hop
was
symphony, my
hiding it
rhyme scheme
because
supreme. Yo, I paint pictures with words unseen. Living in the moment, not in a dream. Truth in the rhythm, feel the vibe extreme. Hip hop symphony, my rhyme scheme supreme. Scandalous schemes subtly seem so sensuous. Dangerous dreams dance deep, it's tremendous. Cartoonious currents creeping, contagious. Fabulous flows forge fire, outrageous.
Right, so you see a little bit of it right there. Now, as you can see, this way right here, there's like a little bit of skipping with the lip sync track. That's because I'm having to speed up or like really, I think just speed up the actual visual track to keep up with the real track. This is the whole wrong way to do it. Writing the lyrics and putting it in like that, that's the wrong way to do it. Okay, matter of fact, I mean, I did make it come out okay. Like I was able to get some good shots from it and make it come out okay, but for the most part, this is the wrong way to do it.
Uncouth, but the proofs in the rhyme like a sleuth. Aloof to the lie, stay smooth as I move. Remove any doubt, no excuse for the groove. The youth need the truth, so I soothe with the truth. Reproof for the fake who dilute what I do. Rebuke all the frauds, let the sound bulletproof. A roof for the real ones, this rhyme is the proof. Yo, I paint pictures with words unseen. Living in the moment, not in a dream. Truth in the rhythm, feel the vibe extreme. Hip hop symphony, my rhyme scheme supreme.
So you can see it's there, like somewhat. You could see it's there, you know, but it's just not fully what we want it to be. Even with the a little new part that we had here that doesn't have any music to it, where he was just talking, I still had to kind of like match it up.
Song, we're about to get it on with eloquence. On there, she's singing, but with me, her inner rap star comes out. So check this out. It's called Perspective Needs. And remember, don't be blindly following shit.
You know what I'm saying? So there we go.
You...
There we go. That's one way to do it. And again, like I'm saying, that's actually the wrong way to do it. All right. This right here. When I did him.
Turns out, after I left, the storm had calmed. Keisha told
Anytime
the girlfriend who I was.
You're doing it, like, these voices are going to be off. They're going to be off from the regular the video track. Right, so I found a better way to do it, which is to actually get the stem, which is the separated vocal track from the Suno AI beat. So in Suno AI, it allows you to separate the vocals from the instrumental and then bring that into Hedra. As you can see right here on Hedra, they allow you upload your own audio track, and it works better when you can upload a vocal rather than it being the instrumental in there too interfering with the vocal track, right? Because it'll try to separate it itself, but it's not going to do a good job. So let's listen to the difference between the one of the tracks that was done when I wrote the lyrics.
Promoter pulled me through, said, "This is top tier, velvet ropes, gold trim, chandelier. Couples in the corner doing things too wild to name. It's like a P. Diddy bash."
Now again, look, the visuals are pretty good. I think the visuals are good. The visuals look pretty good. But the lip sync is going to be off unless you upload the stems. So when I uploaded the stems, this was the new visual.
Keys in the lock, what's behind that door? Life's full of twists, can't predict what's in store. From the flat to the lounge, the story unfolds, another wild night, but the details stay cold.
See, now that's going on the beat of his actual vocal. That's what the vocals does. This is what this is going right here. And it's giving you those nice reaction shots too. Him blinking, moving his head around. Now it's going to give you a little smudging and morphing.
Yo, promoter pulled me through, said this is top tier. Velvet ropes, gold trim, chandelier. Couples in the corner doing
And
things
I've
too wild
noticed
to
the
name.
T's
It's like
and
a
the
P. Diddy
P's.
bash, but the vibe ain't the same. Lingerie and glitter mask. A carnival of sin, I'm thinking, where's my drink? Do I even fit in? Upstairs lounge, man, the air was so thick. Then he
Now
points.
it's going to make a couple of funny faces and stuff like that in between. You're going to get some of those, so those you can pull out of. Or you can just do other takes of it, see if it gives you something different.
Keys in the lock, what's behind that door? Life's full of twists, can't predict what's in store. From the flat to the lounge, the story unfolds, another wild night, but the details stay cold.
Nice reaction shots is giving you. Now it only seems to be affecting the one character in the foreground, which is really good. We don't want everybody talking at the same time.
Yo, promoter pulled me through, said this is top tier. Velvet ropes, gold trim, chandelier. Couples in the corner doing things too wild to name. It's like a P. Diddy bash, but the vibe ain't the same. Lingerie and glitter mask, a carnival of sin. I'm thinking, where's my drink? Do I even fit in? Upstairs lounge, man, the air was so thick. Then he points to two women, and it all clicked. One tall legs for days, built like a queen. The
well,
other
as you
her
can
friend
see,
from...
that's what we get there, right? So let's go over and see how it was utilized on the video.
Unfolds another wild night, but the details stay cold. Yo, promoter pulled me through, said this is top tier. Velvet ropes, gold trim, chandelier. Couples in the corner doing things too wild to name. It's like a P. Diddy bash, but the vibe ain't the same. Keys in the lock, what's behind that door? Lies full of twists, can't predict what's in store. From the flat to the lounge, the story unfolds, another wild night, but the details stay cold. Yo, promoter pulled me through, said this is top tier. Velvet ropes, gold trim, chandelier. Couples in the corner doing things too wild to name. It's like a P. Diddy bash, but the vibe ain't the same. Lingerie and glitter mask, a carnival of sin. I'm thinking, where's my drink? Do I even fit in? Upstairs lounge, man, the air was so thick. Then he points to two women, and it all clicked. One tall legs for days, built like a queen. The other her friend from that spot I once seen. Mask couldn't hide them, their presence was loud. That bird and her girlfriend pulled straight from the crowd. Keys in the lock, what's behind that door? Life full of twists, can't predict what's in store. From the flat to the lounge, the story unfolds, another wild night, but the details stay cold. Turns out, after I left, the storm had calmed. Keisha told a girlfriend who I was no harm. Said he ain't no thief, just caught in the grind. A brother on his hustle with a story to find. Now we laughing, sipping bubbly, chilling in style. Keisha leaned in close, that look drove me wild. But yo, what happened next? I ain't here to say. Let's just leave it at we made the most of the day. Backstage, love the city lights never dim. London got secrets, but I'm keeping them within. The night faded out, but the memory stays. Keisha in my mind in a million ways. Keys in the lock, what's behind that door? Life full of twists, can't predict what's in store. From the flat to the lounge, the story unfolds, another wild night, but the details stay cold. For streams, fake flexing on the gram with rented beams while I'm in the lab. Pen bleeding for the craft. They in the Hamptons, half naked in a bath, real spit. They sold out for shiny chains, but forgot the struggle, the sweat, the pain. P. Diddy parties, pouring champagne streams, but left the culture buried in forgotten dreams. America's a circus, jokes on display, put a felon in charge. What more can I say? From the land of Tupac, Big Nas and Hove. Now they pushing trash rap, the art disposed. Oh, where's the real ones? The grafters grind, underground's the heart, but we left behind. Why they pop bottles? We keep it raw, culture's dead there, man, I'm calling the score. Oh, where's the real ones? The grafters grind, underground's the heart, but we left behind. Why they pop bottles? We keep it raw, culture's dead there, man, I'm calling the score. Ain't no kings, just clowns on the mic now.
Navigating through the nebula, pondering the paradox of a universe cellular. Cosmic web stretched thin like silk spun. Every star's a metaphor for battles we've won. Thoughts oscillate, calibrate, then radiate. Each synapse snaps like a camera plate. And though the time's late, I accelerate faster than a quasar when it gravitates. I'm an architect of analogies, balancing chaos with galaxies. Alchemy with strategies, rhyme schemes sharper than sword sprees. Words whirl like tornadoes in my cortex. Life's complex, it's the ultimate vortex. Each line's a text, ancient like cuneiform, decoded when the beat transforms. I'm the sound of the infinite, penning the intricate, bars so deliberate, thoughts turn omnificent. From the streets to the stars where the echoes live, I'm the voice of the cosmos, creative and infinite.
Rarely, barely, scary, airy, flow so fresh, got the vibes legendary. Catch me in the booth where the truth is contrary, swinging from the top like my name's hereditary. Been going ape like every day, ever since I was a baby. Been bananas, bouncing balls, breaking walls and going crazy. A silverback who clap back at shots that only graze me.
Okay, so look, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can keep up on all the different transitions that we go through as we build up this station. And utilize all these different AI technologies. I'm going to be posting different videos explaining how I do it, and also some that just show you the results. So go over to the 24-hour stream and you can hear some of the results of what we've been doing with Suno. You can hear like a lot of different things that we're going to be explaining how we got there as time goes on. So check it out, give it a listen. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.